Moms, dads, boys and girls, it's time for a delicious entertainment treat just for you. America's favorite food extravaganza, Cooking the Snowbird.
Again, Myron? It's Cooking with Snowbird.
Whatever. And now clap your hands for Snowbird and Marcella.
Myron! He did it again, Marcella.
It's every time he does that.
I know, it's Cooking with Snowbird. Hi, everybody. I'm Snowbird.
Hi, everyone. I'm Marcella. Today we have a super healthy, easy snack called asparagus snaps.
Oh, asparagus snaps. I know why you call it an asparagus snap. You're going to show them how.
Absolutely.
Cool.
You're going to grab both ends of the asparagus, and you're just going to bend until it snaps.
Oh, you broke it.
I did, but I broke it on purpose because this allows you to see which part you want to cook with and the bad part. So you're just going to get rid of the bumpy old end of it, and you're going to use the tender, nice, good flavor part.
Ooh, sounds good. Okay.
The good tasting part
Nice.
is what you're left with.
And you got a bunch of them that you've already snapped on the plate. Excellent.
So we're going to take these. First, we want to, now we are working with a stove top today. So you're going to want to make sure to grab a parent. It is very hot, so you just want to make sure that you're being safe.
Be very careful, everybody. Make sure you do this with a parent or an adult or someone. And yeah, that pot's hot. I can feel that. Oh.
It's already warm,
Okay.
so we're going to go ahead and add the oil to the pan.
Cooking oil. Nice. Actually, olive oil, I think.
Just
Very
a little
nice.
bit of olive
Okay.
oil.
Okay, a little bit of that.
And then we did already snap these, so I'm going to add the good pieces into the pan there.
All right. Cool.
All right. And then all we're missing is just a little bit of seasoning. I've got some pepper here, a little bit of salt. If you have one of these, you want to be careful. It might come out kind of fast. So sometimes I like to do that.
That's a good way to do it. Just is that a dash of salt? Is that what that is?
I would call it a dash.
Nice.
It's about a dash.
Okay. And what you have there? What's that?
This is just a little bit of garlic powder.
Ooh.
If you don't want to take up the time to cut garlic, you can just add a little bit of garlic powder. All right.
Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it cooking.
And now that those are sizzling in the pan, you're going to add this back, which is going to show you when it gets hot enough. If you have a glass top like this, it'll steam up a little bit, maybe even whistle out of this hole. But you're just going to leave the asparagus in there for a couple of minutes until the longer that you leave it, the softer the asparagus gets.
Ooh, okay, but we don't have to go super long, right? Not like 5 hours or something, right?
No, you'll just want to cook it for a couple minutes. If you keep an eye on it, you can tell when you're going to want to take it off. I like mine a little bit more crispy, so maybe I would leave it on a little longer. But whenever you think it's ready, Snowbird,
Really? This looks really good. Now I guess you can I guess you can turn it over and roast both sides or something, I guess.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Nice.
Once it's been cooking for a little bit, you can take this top off. Make
Okay.
sure you get some tongs because it is going to be hot in there.
Okay.
And you'll want to turn them, make sure it gets an even cook.
Oh, that looks good. And I can see the pepper on it. I can see the salt, and
Yeah.
that's pretty neat.
Let's see if
Okay. Oh, look at that. How cool. Now, what would you eat this with? That looks like it would go good with herring. I think that would be great with herring.
Well, since it's so easy, I personally, the herring is not for me. But since it's so easy to make, maybe I would make this in the morning with eggs and toast, or I could make it with some other vegetables.
You could add like mushrooms or something to it? Or?
Yeah, you can add mushrooms, or I like broccoli, so I might add some broccoli to it.
Broccoli sounds good too. Asparagus snaps. I had no idea that you could snap asparagus like that.
Yeah.
How cool. Excellent. All right, well, we're going to let this cook just a few minutes longer. Thank you, Marcella, for helping us make asparagus snaps.
Of course. Thank you, Snowbird. Thank
Sure
you.
thing. Remember, everyone, please visit snowbirdcentral.fun. Check out our YouTube page, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, guys. Bye.